Most people don't fail because they're not capable. They fail because they wait. They wait for confidence. They wait for the perfect moment. And the uncomfortable truth is that moment never arrives. This is the year to stop living inside your head. Stop overthinking every possible outcome. Stop talking yourself out of the life that you actually want. That business idea that you keep pushing back, that plan you keep calling unrealistic, that version of yourself that you know you're capable of. This is the year to stop asking, what if it fails? And start asking, what if it actually works?
So guys, I thought we could go out for a drive today in the Aston Martin, not just to motivate you, but also to motivate me. So many of us talk ourselves out of our goals because we're afraid of failing, but this year is going to be different. This year, you're not going to talk yourself out, you're not going to be afraid of failing, you're just going to go for it and it's going to be incredible. And to be honest guys, never forget there is nothing wrong with failing. Failing is not losing, it's training. It is the best way to get better at something. So if you're worried about failing, please don't. Go for it. If you fail, it's only going to help. January is usually the best month for motivation. It's where you set all your goals, new you, new year, but often by February, a lot of people's motivation has completely gone. Now, motivation is amazing and I want you to be super motivated for this year, but the key to success is actually discipline. So this year, don't just dream big, get yourself a solid routine. Imagine what you could achieve if you just got up 1 hour early every morning. That's 7 hours a week. What could you do in 7 hours? Well, you could start a business, you could achieve so many goals. I can't stress how good having a solid bit of discipline and routine is going to be for you this year. Just do it, guys. So if you know me, you'll know that I absolutely love cars, but I also love creating things. It's been my job my entire life. I've always created things. My full-time job outside of YouTube and my other businesses, I'm actually head of creative for a design studio. So I just love creating things. And I thought, how can I turn both of these into a business that's not only profitable, but also really fun? And I came up with the idea of ABAUTO prints. Now, this is a real preview because this is definitely launching this year. I'm going to finally do it. I've basically built the whole business last year. I just haven't pulled the trigger. So what it is it's going to be these really, really nice, cool car prints. And you can basically choose any car you want. It's got all the stats of the car. The idea came about because I wanted to make my office really cool. And I bought my own printer. You know, I invested lots of money in a brilliant printer. You know, it's my industry. I've been doing it for 15 years, so the quality is really good. You can tell how excited I am just talking about it, but basically, yeah, this year I'm going to finally launch it. I'm going to have a shop online with all these prints. I'm going to share them here with you guys. Hopefully you'll order them, and I can't wait to print them myself, package them, knowing that they're going out to some of my viewers. So I am super excited about this, and I know if you're watching this video, you've probably got some fantastic ideas for businesses and you just haven't pulled the trigger yet. And I want you to use this moment now to say, I'm going to do it. I'm going to take the chance, I'm going to take the risk. Even if it goes wrong, I'm going to learn, so it's going to be an amazing experience. This is your year, you can do it.
Let's be real for a second. This year won't be perfect. Some things won't work. Some plans will fall apart. Some days you'll feel behind. And at some point you'll outgrow people. That doesn't mean you're better than them, it means you're going somewhere different. Growth can be uncomfortable, and that's just the price.
This year, I want you to focus on your mindset. Think about what you watch, what you listen to, what you scroll, the people you spend time with, and of course, think of ways to take care of yourself. It's so important that if you have big goals and huge projects that you don't forget to take care of yourself. Listen to your body, you know, if you're exhausted, take that break, take some personal time, get some hobbies, do the things you love. Your project will be there waiting for you when you get back. And if you take care of yourself, you're going to perform so much better, and I guarantee you the project's going to go a lot better. If you're watching this, you probably love cars, and I do too, and they are such an amazing way to motivate you. Every time I sit in this car and drive this car, it reminds me of how hard I had to work to earn it, but more importantly, how hard I have to continue to work to keep it. It's just so much fun. Even now, just sitting in here, I'm still thinking about other dream cars I would love to own someday and what it would be like sat in them. If you have a car that you dream to own one day, post it in the comments below. I would love to hear, but even better, reply to that comment when you've achieved your goals and you've actually bought that car, and you can reply to yourself and say, I made it.
So guys, don't just dream it. Go to your local dealer, sit in it, and imagine what it will be like to one day own it. You don't need to change everything overnight. It won't be easy, but the best things in life are never easy.